Hi guys, welcome to Only Math Tutorial Point. Today in this video we are going to continue word sums of class 10th, page number 90, exercise 4.1, third sum. Neha went to a shop to purchase some pants, skirts. When her friend asked her how many of each she had brought, she answered, the number of skirts are two less than twice the number of pants purchased, and the number of skirts is four less than four times the number of pants purchased. Help her friend to find how many pants and skirts Neha brought. Let's start. So, in this scenario, what are the unknowns here? Unknowns are pants and skirts, guys. The question is talking about pants and skirts. So let the pants be x and skirts be y. Okay, we need to find the value of x and y, guys. Number of pants and number of skirts. Okay, according to the sum, what is given? Number of skirts are 2 less than twice the number of pants purchased. Number of skirts we consider as y, right? So take it as y here. Y equal to 2 less than twice the pints. So pints we consider x, right? So they're asking twice. So 2x and 2 less than. So minus 2. So 2x minus 2. Y equal to 2x minus 2. That is equation 1. Then number of skirts is 4 less than 4 times the number of pants purchased. Here number of skirts again y, because we took it as y value, y as skirts. So 4 times number of pants. 4 times number of pants means 4x and 4 less than. So we get minus 4. So this is equation 2. So from 1 and 2, equating 1 and 2, guys, and find the value of x. So equating 1 and 2 and find the value of x. So we get x equal to 1. Substitute x equal to 1 in either 1 or 2. We get from substitute x equal to 1 in this equation, y equal to 2x minus 2 or any one. So we get y equal to 0, guys. Therefore required point is 1 comma 0. Therefore number of pants is 1, number of skirts is 0. Okay, I hope you understand this sum. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos and for more updates. Thank you.